Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Julius Boracay Italian Resort, a hotel that often comes up when searching for accommodations on Boracay Island. If you're planning a visit or comparing places to stay, this video might help give you a clearer idea of what to expect. The property is located right in Station 2, which is considered the lively centre of Boracay. From restaurants and shops to beach access, this area is one of the most convenient spots on the island. We'll cover the hotel's location, check-in experience, room features, amenities, and our overall impressions, based on our own experience and unbiased independent reviews, so you can decide whether it suits your travel style. The hotel is situated in a prime part of Station 2, directly across from the Piccolo Hotel. Its location is one of its strongest advantages. Just a short 2-minute walk away is De Mall, one of the main commercial areas of Boracay. Here, you'll find a wide range of restaurants, cafés, souvenir shops, and tour kiosks offering activities like island hopping, parasailing, and diving. The famous White Beach is also within easy reach, about 300 meters from the hotel. The walk to the beach is short, with various establishments along the way. It's a convenient distance that makes it easy to go back and forth between the beach and your room without any hassle. Essential services such as laundry shops, banks, convenience stores, and massage centers are all just around the corner. Whether you're staying for a few nights or a couple of weeks, this location makes daily errands simple. The hotel is tucked away in a narrow alley, accessible from both the main road and the beach. The walkway feels safe, even at night, with several small businesses along the way. It gives the property a sense of privacy while keeping everything within easy walking distance. The check-in process was smooth and efficient. No cash deposit was required upon arrival, making the experience quick and hassle-free. We've stayed at Julius Boracay Italian Resort before, and this time we were pleasantly surprised with a complimentary room upgrade, thanks to the manager for the kind gesture. It added a nice touch to the start of our stay. Instead of a keycard system, rooms here use traditional metal keys, handed to guests during check-in. Guests are asked to leave their keys at the reception when going out and simply pick them up again when they return. A simple and familiar setup. The staff at the front desk were approachable, polite, and knowledgeable about the area. They were happy to provide directions, answer basic questions, and offer practical information about nearby facilities. One of the standout features of this property is its cleanliness. Both the rooms and common areas are kept in excellent condition, which leaves a good first impression upon entering. This is the Premier Deluxe balcony room. It's spacious and bright, featuring a large, comfortable bed, a small seating area, and a balcony that offers a view of the pool. The location of the hotel is in a busy area, but the room was quiet at night. The thick curtains also helped block out both light and sound, which made it easier to rest after long days at the beach. Wi-Fi was stable and suitable for regular browsing, messaging, and light streaming. Uploading larger files could take some time, so it may not be ideal for heavy remote work, but for casual use, it was perfectly adequate. The room included a TV with English channels, a kettle with complimentary coffee and tea, and 2 bottles of drinking water replenished daily. There was a mini fridge which is useful for keeping drinks cold, and air conditioning that worked consistently well. Power outlets were placed conveniently near the bed and desk, which made charging devices easy. A small safe box was provided for storing passports, wallets, or electronics. Housekeeping was available upon request, which is useful for travelers who prefer a more flexible schedule rather than daily cleaning. The bathroom was spotless, good water pressure, reliable hot water, and clean tiles throughout. The toiletries provided were basic but sufficient for short stays. The shower area was well designed, and the hot water never fluctuated during use. Outside the room, the pool is one of the hotel's nice touches. It's not particularly large, but it's well maintained and ideal for cooling off in the afternoon or relaxing after a day of activities. Around the pool and common areas, there are tables and chairs where guests can sit, read, or have a quiet moment. Because the hotel is set back slightly from the main road, it feels more peaceful than some of the beachfront accommodations in the same price range. Breakfast at Julius Boracay Italian Resort is served as a plated meal from a set menu rather than a buffet. Guests can choose among three main options: the American breakfast with toast, egg, ham and sausage or bacon, the continental breakfast with an egg roll, omelette or bread and fruits, or the Filipino breakfast featuring tocino, longanisa, sausage, beef tapa or corned beef. Each meal comes with coffee or tea and fruit juice, offering a simple and convenient start to the day. The hotel doesn't have a full restaurant on site. However, because of its location, you're surrounded by a wide variety of dining options. Within a few minutes' walk, you can find everything from local eateries to international restaurants, making it easy to try something different every day. The property is well cared for, and the maintenance of the building, common spaces and rooms is noticeable. One important thing to keep in mind: the hotel does not have an elevator. This means that guests staying on upper floors will need to use the stairs. If mobility is a concern, or if you're carrying heavier luggage, requesting a room on the ground floor in advance might be a good idea. The staff are also available to assist with carrying bags if needed. Security cameras are installed in the property. The front desk staff are attentive, and security personnel are present on site during the night. As you can see from this video, the alley connecting the hotel to the beach, similar to other alleys here that connect the main road to the beach, is lined with a mix of small businesses such as cafés, convenience stores, and souvenir shops. These establishments add a lively and welcoming vibe to the area, making it feel friendly and active. Their presence also contributes to a greater sense of safety, especially in the evenings, when many shops remain open and people are still walking around. The general area of Station 2 remains vibrant well into the night, with restaurants, bars and shops catering to both locals and tourists. While Boracay is generally known as a safe destination, it's still a good idea to take standard precautions, such as keeping an eye on your belongings and avoiding dimly lit areas late at night, just as you would in any other travel destination. Overall, Julius Boracay Italian Resort is a solid choice for travelers who value cleanliness, a central location, and good value for money. The hotel is small but comfortable and safe, providing a peaceful environment while keeping you close to Boracay's lively areas, a convenient and cozy place to stay right in the heart of the island. This 3-star hotel has been reviewed by over 2,800 travelers on Agoda, earning an impressive 8.9 rating, and based on our experience, it's easy to see why. The highlights are its excellent location, friendly and attentive staff, and comfortable rooms, all of which make it stand out among other hotels in its category. It's a good fit for couples, solo travelers, families, and groups looking to enjoy Boracay's vibrant atmosphere while having a quiet, relaxing place to unwind at the end of the day. As a general note, accommodation and food in Boracay tend to be more affordable than in El Nido, and often on par with or slightly cheaper than Bohol, especially when it comes to mid-range stays and locally run eateries. Prices, of course, can vary depending on the season and location. In upcoming videos, we'll share helpful tips on getting from the airport to Boracay, along with more travel insights for those planning their first visit to the island. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the corresponding video on your screen for more engaging content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more amazing stories. We value your support. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.